we have a Miele washing machine. The model number is w3033. The model and serial number is here. The customers complain us that it's leaking water from the drain hose right here. So on a Miele washer, after 10-15 years or longer, you get a small crack in here, and that causes water leakage, drips. In order to fix this, you actually do not have to replace this whole hose. What you can do is you have to cut the hose from this area and remove this hose from this holder. So you really have to kind of so you remove it like this, and now you're gonna insert it right here. Use a zip tie here to hold it in place. You're good to go. You never have to replace your drain hose on these washers if it's leaking. Thank you.